How to edit your profile on Mercari. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this Mercari tutorial, you would learn how you can edit your profile on Mercari. So the first step is for you to log in into your Mercari's account. Once you are logged in, by the right side, you will no longer see sign up on login. You'll see your profile icon. Once you can see that, click on your profile icon, and then you drop down menu that appears. Ensure you click on settings. By clicking on settings, you'll be taken to the page where you'd see a number of tabs like profile, like privacy and security, like notifications. Ensure you click on profile. By clicking on profile, you'll be taken to the profiles page. And then on this page, you have the liberty to edit your profile details by clicking on the pencil icon on your profile page, and then go ahead and effect whatever changes you want. Do you want to change the profile picture? Do you want to change your description? Do you want to add more to your reviews, or do you want to change your name, your profile name? Just go ahead and do that, and once you're done, click on save changes. All right, if not, your changes will not be affected. Click on save changes, and then your profile will be edited and changed. That is how you can edit your profile on Mercari. Thank you for watching and have a good day.